is Max Droog. I am a co-owner of a custom motorcycle company called Droog, and we build and sell bespoke handcrafted motorcycles and ship them all over the world, just like the one you see beside me. We've been in business since 2016, and in the last couple of years, we've really taken on the advantage of 3D printing. Recently, we were able to partner with Raise3D and test out their all-new Pro3 Plus hyperspeed printer. Currently, right now, the printer is printing a prototype helmet mount. It's going to be a wall-mounted helmet mount. This is actually printing at 300 millimeters a second, which is about 4 times faster than a lot of other printers can print at, especially doing carbon fiber type materials. And it has their newer SICK nozzle installed as well. So as you see here, these are all prototype printed parts. We have some done in PLA, ASA, the carbon fiber ABS, which is an awesome piece. Both of these are carbon fiber ABS, and they have a fuzzy texture finish, which is all done on the Idea Maker slicer. And then this is just the natural finish. These are both going to be magnetic covers for an electric motorcycle that we're building, which pops into place like so. And then we also have mechanical parts. This is a pod filter, so there's a foam mesh insert in here that's able to be taken apart and cleaned and oiled and everything. And then we also do it with our electrical components. This is a prototype hoop with an integrated LED strip for your brake, taillight, and turn signals. So the main thing for us, because we do a lot of prototyping when it comes to aesthetic pieces and mechanical parts, we need things that can be printed quick. We don't like a lot of downtime, especially when we're trying to keep up with our schedule and coming up with new components. So this is Raise3D's Hyperspeed PLA. This is printed in one piece. This was all filled with support material. It was actually printed in this orientation. This piece printed, it was like an hour, something like that, at 300 millimeters a second. And on a lot of other printers, you can only print 50 to 100 millimeters a second. You're looking at hours worth of print time just for a prototype part. That'll probably end up on the shelf. This is their HyperCore carbon fiber ABS. This was also printed at 300 millimeters a second, and it is, I would consider this an end-use piece, even at those speeds. It has all the holes for magnetic inserts and everything. Flawless quality. Again, on something that you're usually printing ABS, you're having to print very slow, 40 to 50 millimeters a second, and a lot of setup. The Pro3 Plus printer banged this out. We were able to print this in about an hour, which was great. That's definitely the main benefit of the Hyperspeed edition. Even this is a prototype print, but this is an entire tank piece. Printed this in about 3 hours. So you can't beat it. It's a huge advantage over tons of other printers out there. The build volume is awesome. This is a 13-inch tall piece, and it looks fantastic. So